Welcome back, traders. This video is devoted to the typical mistakes that probably will ruin your nervous system and deposits. Watch till the end where I will summarize top recommendations to boost your results following very simple rules. Pay your attention to the CSCAT Discord server where you will always stay tuned and your education in trading will be smooth. Now subscribe for the channel and we are switching to the plot of this video. Now let's talk about the breakouts and why do you lose your money. We scrutinized the core mistakes of the beginners and come to the conclusion that 80% of traders have problems in identifying the proper graphical formation for the most popular strategy, namely breakouts. Now let's draw a little. I will show you the typical mistakes of the beginners. The first mistake, horizontal level with very drastic approach. Several touches and then something like this. What's wrong? When market participants push the price towards the breakout for a very long distance, they are wasting their power on this way. And by this point, there is a lack of power to continue this impulse. That's a mistake. Of course, the setup could work out, but the chance is much lower. We skip this situation. The right example is a very smooth approach to the breakout. The pushing power in the tape in this point. The formation should represent a spring-like compression of the price at this point. This is the right setup. The right example of the breakout is smooth approach and pushing power, as I said. You see the compression, you see that setup is quite clear, and there is no very drastic approach. The approach is quite smooth. And finally, what do we have? We have quite impulsive breakout. Several seconds in the trade, and that's it. The fixations by limit orders. It's very good setup, graphical setup. The second mistake is the fake breakouts. Fake breakouts or infringement of the level in spot or futures. When we have the formation with such an infringement of the level, something like this, and unfortunately many people still treat this like a level to catch the breakout. There is a strong mistake. This level is not respected by the price. The problem is that broken level is the sign that there are not enough participants that fail to push the price properly till the density of stop losses to bring the impulse. This is a wrong pattern. The formation should be ideally clear with very clear touches, with no infringement of this level. Let's watch again the example. There is no single infringement of this level. The touches to the level is very clear. Such clear kind of setup means that many participants are waiting for this setup to work out. And that's why this workout is really good. Several seconds and fixations. And the last popular mistake, manipulations of huge player. I call this as a fishbone. If we look at the formation before the breakout in more details, there is a huge number of candles with very long shadows to both sides. There's a sign of low activity and local manipulator that would probably spoil the breakout by his attempts to load his position, holding the price from the breakout. Such a mess on the graph should be a kind of alert for you. That's a red flag. This is the bad example. You see the fishbone, there is a mess on the graph, there is a very bad formation for breakout. But here you see the ideal example of the breakout setup in which the formation consists 80% from the bodies of the candle, but not the shadows. That's it. Finally, to summarize, we should pay attention to three main graphical elements when selecting the pattern for breakout. Spring-like compression to the level, like this, and quite smooth approach. Second, clear touch to the level with no infringement of the level borders both on futures and spot. And finally, no manipulations. No shadows, but candle bodies should have predominance inside the formation. Thank you for your attention. I really hope the video was a very useful kind of piece of advice. Please subscribe for the channel and write your comments below this video. See you soon.